Are you a big fan of street foods, but rather an healthy option? I got you covered. My name is Michael Brian Gesto, and this is episode 52. Samantha's Steamboat, Philippines was conceptualized to give a healthier option for all street food lovers like us. We can all enjoy our favorite food minus the guilt. Iloilo's trending street food, inspired from Malaysia's street food culture. Enjoy street food the healthy way. No oil, no guilt, and free of goodness. Instagram worthy, perfect for senior citizens because it's boiled in water, not in fried oil. It has fun shapes for kids, wide choices of products to choose from. Value of money with prices ranging from 30 pesos up to 40 pesos. Maintains excellent quality standard and also 100% Ilonggo company. They have 9 branches across Western Visayas. SM City Iloilo Food Court, SM City Iloilo Food Hall, Robinson's Place Iloilo, Robinson's Place Haro, Marymart Center, Iloilo Supermart Mandurriao, GT Plaza Molo, SM City Bacolod Food Court, City Mall Boracay, and Gisano Capital Pasig. And for delivery options, they're also available via Move Delivery Iloilo, Grab Food Delivery, Zoom Moto Delivery, and DLVR or Deliver. For full list of menus and delivery details, I'll be providing description down below. This episode is sponsored by Samantha's Steamboat, Philippines. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga nos! So here, Iloilo's most popular and famous street food by Samantha's Steamboat. So iba-iba pong foods to. So meron tayong mga sauce nila mga nos. So i-mix ko siya mamaya. But before anything else mga nos, please do like this video and comment down below kung anong mga foods na gusto try for Samantha's Steamboat. Please share this video sa mga friends yung mahilig sa mga street foods. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose, para always kayo updated sa mga latest episodes ko. Just click the notification bell icon. Kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, kahit ilang seconds or ilang minutes, please lang po huwag niyo pong skip. Malaking bagay na po yun sa aking channel, Drinking Nose. Ito parati ko silang nakita sa street food night market and share ko lang mga nose, itong Samantha Steamboat, ito dream brand ko na i-feature sa taste test vlog ko. Especially sobrang sarap ng sauce nila and also for their foods and different flavors in each of their categories. Tapos naalala ko sa street food night market, maraming tao pumipila sa kanilang brand para mag-order, magpa-reserve. Number 1 talaga sa mga pilahan sa mga customers, especially sa mga suki nila, sa mga first-time customers, at maraming mga tao nagsa-selfie, nag-i-enjoy. Ito very healthy manos kasi hindi siya na-grilled, hindi siya na-deep fry, walang oil na gamit, pero ito na-boil siya in water. So it's a very healthy street food, especially sa mga seniors, sa mga health conscious, and also sa mga Ilonggos natin or sa mga Kanos natin, mahilig sa mga street food. Tapos yung special dito is there's 6 sauces. Discuss ko muna yung sauce nila according to customers' most favorite. Number 1, si chili garlic oil. Number 2, si sweet and sour. Number 3, si creamy steamboat. Number 4, si hoisin with sesame and ginger. Number 5, si Chinese sauce. And number 6 is chili paste. So let's start mga nos. So i-mix ko muna yung 6 sauces nila. This is their chili paste. Depende sa sa type ng sauce nila. amount for its veggies and also for its fish. Tapos nag-well complement siya for this product. Ang sarap niya talaga. Alam mo, gusto ko sanang ubusin to, kaya lang i-share ko pa to sa family ko kasi big fan talaga sila ng Street Foods by Samantha Steamboat. For next product, this is their squid ball for 3 pieces for 35 pesos. Ang sarap. Yung nagustuhan ko for their sauce is yung creamy steamboat nila. For their spices, especially for chili paste and also for chili garlic oil, it has a good balance when it comes to spiciness, yung savory, yung sweetness, and also for creaminess for their sauce. Those best match talaga sila for different flavors of their street food. So, very nutritious na, tapos sobrang sulit ka na at budget-friendly pa mga nos. For next product, this is their crab egg roll for 2 pieces for 35 pesos. Egg roll nila makanos, ayan, may red siya sa gitna. Alam mo yung kulang na lang dito, rice. Sold ka na talaga. Ang sarap ng crab meat niya and also for its egg roll. Napaka-fresh ng ingredients and also best combination talaga for this product. For next product, this is fish tofu, heart shape for 2 pieces for 38 pesos. Very attractive siya at eye-appealing sa mga kids. Very healthy siya kasi it's tofu. Enjoy na sila for heart shape and also busog na sila for this product. For next product, this is their snow shrimp for 2 pieces for 38 pesos. So appearance pala mga no, sobrang laki siya, tapos eye-appealing siya sa mga seafood lovers, especially sa shrimp. Ang sarap talaga mga nos, yung density niya, flavors of their sauce, nag-kick in talaga, mas lalong nag-enhance yung nutritious value and also for its consistency for its ingredients for this product. For next product, these are sandwich tofu for 3 pieces for 38 pesos. So ito mga nos, meron na siyang filling inside. Dip ko muna sa sauce. Ang sarap ng filling mga nos. Parang mas lalo naging creamy for its sandwich tofu. For next product, your Lobster Claw for 3 pieces for 38 pesos. Sa appearance pa lang mga nos, very attractive siya. Tapos eye-appealing. Tapos sinabihan ako ng mga kapatid ko, magtira ako for them, especially for Lobster Claw. Siksik siya mga nos for Lobster Claw meat. Tapos ito, very sulit ka na for 38 pesos. For next product, these are salmon balls for 2 pieces for 35 pesos. Ito very present yung salmon meat and also for its texture and also for its flavor. On point siya. For next product, these are crab balls with corn for 2 pieces, 35 pesos. Ganun din mga nos, sobrang sarap ng crab meat niya. Tapos yung corn inside, nag-add siya ng crunch texture for this product. For next product, is our fish bun for 2 pieces, 38 pesos. Ito upon first bite, yung unang makikin sa'yo is yung cream or yung filling for fish bun. Sobrang sarap niya habang kinakain, mas lalo naging saucy yung fish bun upon eating. For next product, is our crab balls for 2 pieces, for 35 pesos. Very smooth yung texture niya and also for its crab meat, on point siya. Okay, for rating mga nos, sa lahat po ng street foods nila, I'll give it a perfect 10. Comes sa overall products nila, especially sa 6 sauce nila, kahit na-combine mo siya or na-mix, hindi sila nagsapawan pero nag-well complement at nag-well blend for each of their flavors sa lahat po ng street foods. Creaminess, yung sweet, yung sour, and also yung spiciness, very present sa sauce. Tapos, napaka-delicious ng combination for their street foods in each of their categories or flavors. Tapos, magka-crave ka talaga for their sauce and for their street foods. Very much inspired for Malaysia street food culture. Ito, ma-feel mo talaga yung culture nila, yung sauce, yung taste, and also yung swak na swak talaga sa lasa, and also for its overall appearance, yung excellent products nila, and amazing service. Ito, ma-enjoy talaga sa lahat po ng tao. Sobrang mabubusog ka for its eye-appealing shapes, colors, and sizes, amazing health benefits, and superb taste. Thank you so much Samantha Steamboat sa lahat po ng staff, riders, owners, managers, sa pag-present sa amazing products and for your full trust and support for my drinking nose. So Samantha Steamboat has excellent quality of products, budget-friendly, very nutritious, and outstanding health benefits, and is certified drinking nose standards approved. So once again, thank you so much and congratulations to Samantha Steamboat. Keep safe mga nose. Bye!